In this video, I'll be showing you the super easy way to roll a henna cone and how to fill them up. The beauty in this is you can use your cones for pretty much anything: henna, sugar icing for cookie decorating, or even acrylic paints. So let's dive in. So first off, you're going to need a cellophane sheet, or if you want to be environmentally friendly, you can even use a plastic bag or gift wrap. Secondly, you'll need a sharp pair of scissors and some tape. You'll want a tape holder to make it easy for you when you come to seal your cones. Get your scissors and cut the cellophane to your desired shape and size. I like to work with rectangles, but each artist has their own shape preference. Some use triangles, others use squares, but rectangles are my usual go-to. Then, you'll want to make the longer side of the cellophane sheet at the bottom. Place the sheet and grab the far left or right point to roll it inwards while making sure the point is intact. Keep rolling inwards, and you want to make sure that it's tightly rolled to keep your henna in and composed. A good way to determine if it's tight or not is by placing the tip of your finger at the point. If it stings just a tiny bit, then it's a go. Then get your tape and cut off a small piece at first. Start it off at the tip of the cone, rolling the tape around to make sure the point is tightly sealed. Make sure to tape up all the seams of the cone. You don't want to leave any space untaped to prevent any henna from leaking out of the cone. At this stage, you can use bigger pieces of tape to make sure all the seams are covered. And alas, your cones are ready to be filled up. Get your henna mix and a large carrot bag. Place your henna with a spoon in the bag to make it easier for you to fill the cones without the risk of spillage. Get your henna-filled carrot bag and secure it inside of your cone. You want to fill up the cone only halfway up so you can tape your cone down later. If you fill it all the way up, you won't have any cellophane left over to seal the cone shut. Hold the cone and apply pressure at the end of where the henna stops to make sure the henna fills to the tip and dispose of any air bubbles. If your cone is too big, cut off a small piece with the scissors of the extra cellophane. Hold it to flatten it down and secure it with a piece of tape. This is an extra precaution to avoid your henna from flowing to the top. Fold one piece over and its other corresponding piece another fold. Then roll it down bit by bit, securing it with a few pieces of tape, also as a security measure. You did it! Your cone is ready to use and off to the races. Hey guys, if you like this henna video, be sure to subscribe where I get to release weekly henna videos every single Thursday. Make sure to like and comment, share with a fellow henna artist or henna enthusiast, and I will see you next Thursday.